Folding and faulting. We've looked at the various forms of stress and strain, so now we're looking at some of the things that can happen as a result of those stress and strains. So folding is one thing, and as the name implies, the rocks are going to get folded. Typically, this is going to be when you have compression, which means we're looking at either subduction or mountain building. And so, because it stays bent, we are dealing with plastic deformation. And because the rocks are plastic, we know that we are dealing with effects deeper, where the rocks are going to be more plastic, where the temperatures are higher to create this plastic consistency. When you have folding taking place, it can either fold upwards or downwards. So when it folds upwards, it is called an anticline, and you get this hill-shaped structure, which you can see in the picture here. If it folds downwards, it's called a syncline. So you get this bowl-shaped feature, and I tend to think of the word sink to remember syncline. So it's like a sink bowl. Where we see folding in an obvious place are folded mountain chains. And here you can see the up and down folding that has taken place to create this mountain chain. And here's another spot where it's pretty obvious. So folding ultimately leads to folded mountain chains. Faulting, as the name implies, we're looking at something that's going to be associated with breaking. And not too surprising, this is associated with fault zones. It can also occur at rift zones. So both of these are places where faulting can occur. So that breaking that we mentioned, that is fracture. So here we're looking at examples of fracture taking place. And for fracture to occur, usually it needs to be closer to the surface, because that's where rocks are brittle. You don't have the more plastic consistency that you find deeper. So faulting we usually find closer to the surface. And in this case, the result that we get are called fault block mountains. And so you can see very rugged, craggy looking structures that are a result of the rocks breaking, and that is a fault block mountain. So folding, deeper, more plastic, you get folded mountain chains. Faulting, it's closer to the surface, rocks are more brittle, you get a fault block mountain.